Hi everybody, this is for CR number 6, multiple choice, helper video number 1. First we're going to start by looking at order of operations. It says simplify 12 minus 6 divided by 3 plus 2 using the correct order of operations. Well, most of you know the saying PEMDAS, so I'm just going to go ahead and write this out over here on the side. And we're going to follow this process as we solve this problem. The only thing I want you to remember is when we get down to multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction, remember it's the order that they are in. It doesn't go multiplication then division. It's just which one comes first in the problem. So I'm going to go ahead and start by rewriting the problem down here. So we have 12 minus 6 divided by 3 plus 2. Well, it doesn't look like we have any parentheses to speak of, so we're going to go ahead and cross that out. There are no exponents in this expression either, so we're crossing that one out. And now we're up to multiplication and division. So all I do is work left to right. And as soon as I see one or the other, that's where I start. And it looks like we have division going on right here between the 6 and the 3. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. So I go ahead and I bring down everything else that I have not even worked on yet. There we go. And so now we've solved that first part. So I don't have any multiplication. I'm done with my division. Now we're up to adding and subtracting. Now remember, just because the word adding comes first does not mean that's what we do first. When I'm left with adding and subtracting, all I do is work left to right. So if I go ahead and I start with the 12, notice subtraction comes first. So I have to do 12 minus 2, which is 10. And then I bring down the plus 2. And then 10 plus 2 is 12. Yay. So notice up here we circled D, which is 12. Good luck.